Hi, this is Manoj Shungi. Good afternoon to all. Let's start the next lesson. The next lesson is related to the trigonometry only, that is applications of trigonometry. Applications of trigonometry. So we learn the trigonometry, that is trigonometry ratios and the standard angles and also identities. Next in this we have to solve the problems on based on the equations. Now like that where we can use the trigonometry. So we can use in the to find the distance between the longitude and latitudes, and also the Earth to the planet stars, from Earth to the planet and stars, the distance we can use for the trigonometry application. So it is most ancient subjects. This one is most ancient used by the scholars. Then also astronomers have used this one. Then trigonometry is used also used in the geography and in navigation, and find the position of an island in relation to the longitudes and latitudes. There are three terms first for this one: line of sight, line of sight, angle of elevation, angle of elevation. Third one, angle of depression, angle of depression. So first you take the example. If it is this one is Qutub Minar example I am taking. So from this, when student is seeing this top of the Qutub Minar, so this will form right angle triangle. So we take this one as A, B and C, D and E. So a student is seeing the from his eye to the top of the Qutub Minar. So this is right angle triangle ABC. Then this is E, the distance of the student standing. Then from the eye to the top of the minar, the student is seeing, no, that is line of sight. Line of sight. So line of sight is the the line of sight is the AC, which is seen from the eye of the student to the top of the Qutub Minar. So this angle, what we to the horizontal, that is angle of elevation. So take example theta. So if you take this one angle is theta. So in triangle ABC, angle right angle triangle B, and this is the height of the Qutub Minar. This is the line of sight, and this is the angle made by the angle of elevation. That is the angle of elevation. So the angle is nothing but the angle of elevation. It is made through the above the point of horizontal line. This horizontal line is there. So above this horizontal line, it is called angle of elevation. So angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. One more example we can take. As they given the chapter textbook only. So the line of sight is the eye of the student to the Qutub Minar. So like that, one more example they given in this second one, that is the angle of elevation. The angle of elevation is nothing but the angle made by the from this eye of the observer to the with the horizontal of that foot of the Qutub Minar to the student. So this is the AB and ED both are same, parallel. They are parallel. So this is the distance is the student height of the student. So from this, the horizontal line above the is called the angle of elevation. Like that, angle of depression. For that one, in this case, you see the top of the mirror. Top of the mirror means we are taking looking at our eye head object. Our head to look at the object. This is object. So this is object. So it is looking at the head. We can raise our head and see the object like that. Second, angle of depression. So this one, suppose a girl Suppose they are sitting on the balcony and seeing the object that is present in the stair of a temple, that is pot, flower pot. So from this is object, this is angle. So what is the difference between angle of elevation and angle of elevation? As we know, the angle of elevation is the point we are seeing from the eye of the observer to the top of the mirror. So we are looking head of the object. So this is angle of elevation. That angle made by the line of sight and the horizontal line is angle of elevation, and it is above the horizontal line. But in this case, girl is sitting on the balcony, so she is seeing the object here. So she looking down. She is looking down. So the angle made by the line of, this is the line of sight, from the girl seeing the pot that is present in the stair of a temple. So she is looking down. So looking down means this angle will be angle of depression. Angle of depression. So if we take this one as A, B, C. So object is here. This is the flower pot that is present in this stair of a temple, and this is girl is sitting on the balcony. So she is seeing this one object here. So the angle will be below the horizontal line. This is horizontal line. So we are looking down. So if you see the angle present between below the horizontal line, that is the angle of depression. So this is the angle of depression. Angle of elevation is nothing but above the horizontal line. This is horizontal line. So above that angle is formed means that is angle of elevation. And the if you stay down from the balcony to the object, that is angle of depression. So like that, some examples are given. So suppose if you want to find the height of the Qutb Minar, this one is height. So CD. So find the height of the tower. So find the height of the Qutb Minar. So if we want to find this one, what should we know? We have to know this angle, and we should know the height of the student, and also the angle form, that is CBA. Then only we can find the CD value, because we want CD means CB plus BD. So A is equal to BD, the student standing here, and from the eye to the object they seen. So for this one we should know the angle, and we should know the this one height of the student. Then this foot, this is downside is foot only. So foot from the foot from the student to the foot of the Qutb Minar, you should know the distance. Then only we can find the height of the Qutb Minar. Like that, in example 1, like that, in example 1, a tower stands vertically on the ground. From a point on the ground which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. So this is one tower. So the angle made by that one is the given the angle of elevation. So angle of elevation means seeing upside. So this is angle of elevation is found to be 60 degree. Then this is height of the tower. This is tower. So a tower stands vertically. It is a vertical stand on the ground, and from the point on the ground. So if you take this one as point C, from the point on the ground which is 15 meter away. So which is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. So this is the foot of the tower. So 15 meter away. So this distance will be 15 meter. Then 60 degree. This is 15. Then the angle of elevation to the top of the tower, and seeing from the down on this level of the ground. So like that, So if we take this one is A and right angle at B, so what I told, find the height of the tower. So you should find the height of the tower. So if we want AB, so AB, so it is here is 60 degrees. So which trigonometry can help from the to find this height of the tower. So for height means it is here, angle means it is opposite. So opposite we got opposite, and we have the value of the downside value. So this will be adjacent. So opposite and adjacent. It is the formula tan theta. So for finding AB, the height of the tower, we should know the tan theta. That is tan 60. Tan 60. That value is root 3. So tan 60 is root 3. 60 at adjacent. Then opposite by adjacent. So opposite is AB. AB divided by BC. So it will be root of 3. AB, as you know the height of the tower, so as keep as it is, and BC into root 3. BC is 15 and root 3 into root 3. 15 root 3. So the 15 root 3 meter is the height of this tower. So first we should know the one angle and then one distance. Then only you can find the height of the tower. So this is an angle of elevation seen from the seeing the object to the top of the tower. Then this is the distance, that is foot from the tower to the the person seeing at the top of the minar. Then we find the height of the tower. So in this ACB is a right angle triangle and it is made at the right angle at B 90 degree. Second one. Second one, like that only. The given, an electrician has to repair an electric fault on a pole of height 5 meter. So example number 2. Example number 2. The given, an electrician has to repair an electric fault on a pole of height 5 meter. So if you take the pole, this is 5 meter. That is given AB, A and B. This is the pole of the height. That height of the pole is 5 meter. Then she needs to reach a point 1.3 below the top of the pole. This is top of the pole. So below 1.3. So this is, if we take an point as B, this is 1.3 meter. This is AB value is 1.3 meter because the top of the pole to the below the top of the pole. So to undertake the repair work. So what should be the length of the ladder? So here they kept on ladder. They kept the ladder. When inclined at 60 degree to the horizontal would enable her to reach the required position. This is the required position. From here they have to repair the work. So this is the ladder and this is 90 degree because it is from the straight line only. So AB is the D. You can take this one as D. AD is the height of the pole, that is 5, and this is AB value is 1.3. Then from the ladder they given inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the horizontal. So this is 60 degree. Then this one C, A, B, C, D. Okay. So once to repair the electric fault on the pole of height 5 meter. So she is going through this ladder only. So we should what they told also how far from the foot of would enable her to reach the required position. So she has to reach this required position to find solution for that repair work. Then also find the foot of the pole. Should she place the foot of the ladder. So from here to this one, this is height of below the pole. So this is below pole. Then this is the ladder. So what is the should she place the foot? How far from the foot of the pole? This is foot for pole. Should she place the foot of the ladder? So here to here, what is the distance? And also find this BC also distance and DC also. So for that, they given root 3 value is 1.73. They given as approximately the value of root 3 as 1.73. So we have to find this value BC. So BC you have to find out. So for finding the BC, this is total is 5 and this is 1.3. So this remaining, this is total 5. This is total 5. This AB is 1.3. The BD will be BD means AD minus AB. So it will be AD is 5 minus 1.3. This will be 3.7. 3.7 plus 1.3 is nothing but 5. So we got the 3.7 meter as the BD value. So next we have to find the BC. So for BC, here is the angle is there. So this one we have to find out. So this will be adjacent for this one. This will be adjacent and this will be the opposite. So we want this one. So opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse is sine 60 degree. I will take sine 60 degree is equal to opposite. Opposite is BD divided by BC. So this will be sine 60 as you know the standard value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. This is BD. So BD they give, we have found that the value 3.7 divided by BC. So BC will be 2 into 3.7 divided by root 3. So that value will be approximately 4.28. 4.28 meters. So the BC means it is the this is the angle of the ladder to the pole. So we have to find the BC, the the value of hypotenuse, that is BC, the height of the ladder. So it is an incline at 63. So we got the this value. So we have to find the DC value. For DC, so this is adjacent. So adjacent, then we know this value and this value. So adjacent by it is opposite or adjacent by hypotenuse. So we'll take adjacent by opposite. So it will be tan angle is 60. No, cot 60. Cot 60. This will be cot 60 is not tan 60 is root 3. So cot 60 will be 1 by root 3. So why I taken cot 60 means we want this value. So this is adjacent by opposite. So opposite by adjacent is tan and adjacent by opposite is it is cot. So cot 60. So 1 by root 3. This will be adjacent means DC divided by DB. This will be root 3 is there. So root 3 into DB we have BC have calculated. So DC, so cot 60 is equal to adjacent DC divided by, this is opposite, we got the DB value. DB they will DB they give, no? So we have to find out DC value. So root 3 into 5, no, root 3 into DB value is 3.7. So total will be cot 60 is 1 by root 3, then this is DC by DB. So we want the value of DC. So root 3 this is 3.7. So 3.7 divided by root 3. 3.7 divided by root 3. 3.7, that is approximately it will be 2.14 meter. So for finding this one, foot of the ladder to the foot of the pole, we got DC by DB. It is unknown value. So we have to find this one means it is adjacent. This is opposite. So adjacent by opposite is opposite. It is will be trigonometry ratio will be cot 60 at a time 1 by root 3 DC by DB. Then we have to find out value of DC. So DB will go here. DB value is 3.7 as we find this one BD. So this is 3.7. 3.7 divided by root 3. So that will get the DC value. So DC is 2.14 approximately. And by this we find out the angle of the ladder to the repair position and also the foot of the pole to the foot of the ladder distance. Then third one. Third one. An observer 1.5 meter tall is 28.5 meter away from the chimney. So this is chimney. This one. So this is the height of the chimney. So in that, this I will take A, is known as B, and this one as C, and above this C is seen from this one, C D. Then angle is 45 degree. Angle is 45 degree. A, height of the chimney AB, D, DC and C seen here. One girl is there here. Then angle is 45 degree. So what they got? An observer 1.5 meter tall. So this is observer. C is 1.5 meter tall. So 1.5 meter tall. So CD is the height of that observer. Then which is 28.5 meter away from the chimney. This is chimney. So 28.5 away means this will be 28.5. This is 28.5 meter. BC is the 28.5 meter. Then the angle of elevation. So angle of elevation means it made in the seeing the upside. So in the upside means this will be angle of elevation. So that angle of elevation top of the chimney from the eye of the from our eye is 45 degree. So I take this one angle as 45 degree. Then what is the height of the chimney? Height of the chimney we have to find out. This is, I will take this one as E. So we have to find the AB value. So AB, we have to find the AB value. So for AB, you should know the A and A. We can write this one as A plus EB. A plus EB. And this is the parallel to this line, that is DE. This is CV. So here, once girl is standing, she is standing from her to the top of the chimney. That is the angle is 45 degree. That is the angle of elevation. And this is the 1.5 meter tall or height. Then B is also the same because it is DC means this will be B is equal to DC. Then we have to find out the height of the chimney. So height of the chimney is AB. So AB we can write as A plus EB. So in this one we know BC value. This value we know BC value. So DE also will be 28.5. This is 28.5 means this is also 28 parallel is there. So 28.5. Then we have to find the value of AB. AB is the A plus EB. So BE. So BE means B is equal to, this is A we don't know, A I keep as it is, BE. B is parallel to the DC. So DC is 1.5 means B also 1.5. So we got this value. Only have to find the A value. So A is here and this is the angle is 45 degrees. This is the right angle. So AE will be right angle triangle. So we want which this one. So opposite by, we know this one, opposite and adjacent. So tan 45 opposite by adjacent means AE divided by this one, AE divided by opposite by adjacent, DE. So this will be tan 45 is 1. So it will become A is equal to D. So as we know the value of D is equal to 28.5, so A will be 28.5 meter. So total AB will be 1.5 plus 28.5. Why 1.5 means this is 1.5 and this is we find the value 28.5. So this will be 30 meter. So the height of the chimney will be 30 meter. Height of the chimney. That is the height of the chimney. So they give in the application type. So we have to find the understand the theory part and find out the practical value of that trigonometric ratio. So like this we find the height of the chimney. First we have to take this full, that is height of the chimney is AB. We can split it as A and AB. One girl is standing and seeing from the eye of the observer to the top of the chimney. Then we D is equal to D is means parallel to the BC. It is 28.5 means this is also 28.5. Then 1.5 is the B value. So I taken B value as 1.5. Then tan 45 is there. So 45 means we want this value. This is opposite. Opposite by this one value. This value we don't know. So we know this value. So we want AE by DE. So AE by DE is nothing but tan 45. Tan 45 value is 1. The general angle of tan 45 is 1. So A is equal to DE. So A is equal to DE is 28.5 meter. Adding 28.5, 1.5, it will get 30 meter. So height of the chimney is 30 meter. The next one. This is all based on angle of elevation. Angle of elevation means looking head of the top of the minar or top of the tower like that. This is third one. Next fourth one. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building is 30 degree. A flag is hoisted at the top of a building and angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff from P is 45 degree. Find the length of the flagstaff and the distance of the building from point P. So, from a point P, if you take this one as point P, then on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building. If you take this one from this one, 10-meter tall building is AB. This is 10-meter tall building. 10 meter. Then above that one, a flag is hoisted at the top of the building. This is top of the building. So here, so this is the flag. So flag hoisted at the above the top of the building. That is BD. Then the angle they given. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff from P. So P is here. So from this one is this angle they given as 45 degree. 45 degree. Then one more angle they given. Find the length of the flag. So BD we have to find out. Then angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter building is 30 meters. So from the building, this is AB's building. So this one. From B to P, this one, this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 45 degree. So angle of elevation from the top of the building, that is 30 degree. Angle of elevation from the height of this flagstaff to the point P is 45 degree. Then they told you to find out the distance of the building from point P. So this is building is here to here you have to find, that is AP. Then also find the length of this flag. So you have to find the value of BD also. For this one, so for the building I will find out first one, tan 30. So tan 30 means opposite by, this is right angle. Two right angles are found here, DAP and BAP. So angle A is 90 degree, BAP, and angle BP is 30 and angle DPA is 45 degree. So if I take this one first, so opposite by adjacent. So this one value I know. So I'll write AB, opposite by adjacent is nothing but tan. So adjacent is AP. So I want to find out AP value because I know tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to AB by AP. So we want AP value. So AP is equal to root 3 into AB. AB is 10. 10 into root 3. So for that one, they given take the value of root 3 as 1.732. 1.732. So 1.372 into 10. So 10 into nothing means it will be that only. So one step will move, that will be 17.32 meter. 10 into this is 10 total tall of the building, and into root 3 is this one, root 3 value they given as 1.732. So 1.732 into 10 means we have to put the point next of the that number. So 17.32. Like that we have to find this one, we find it. we have to find BD. So for BD, so we have to find out BD value. So BD, this is AB. So we can use this one 45 degree. So 45 degree, this will we want BD value means, so I will take this one BD value as X. So this is BD is equal to X. So BD is equal to X. DAP is DP is 45 degree. So if I take tan 45 degree, so opposite is AD divided by adjacent, that is AP. So AD we can write as AB plus BD divided by AP. So AB we know that the tall of the building, that is 10, plus BD we don't know, and AP we got as 17.32, and this is tan 45 is nothing but 1. So this is BD I taken as X, 10 plus X is equal to 17.32. So X is equal to 7.32 meter. So the height of the flat staff is 7.32 meter. That is 7.32 meter. That means first we have to find out the angle of elevation, that is 30 degree, that is the tall of the building. From that we got AP value, that is the value of from the point to on the ground to the building. Then to find the height of the flat staff, for that one I taken the angle of elevation 45 degree, because this is DPA is 45 degree. So I know the value of AB, so I take AD divided by, this is adjacent, this is AP. So AP I found it as 17.32. Then I have to find the value of BD. BD I taken as X, so I will get the X value as 7.32. Fifth one. Next one is fifth one. The shadow of a tower standing on a level ground is found to be 40 meter longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree more than when it is 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. So if I take this one as tower AB. So they given the shadow of a tower standing on the level ground is found to be 40 meters. So shadow we have to take. So 40 meter longer than the when the sun's altitude is 30 degree than when it is 60 degree. So if I take 60 degree, this is 60, that will be C. I understand this one. From year to year, this is 30. This D I will take. D, C, B, 60 degree and 30 degree A value. So AB is the height of the tower. So we have to find the AB value. So this is the height of the tower. So we have to find this one. AB we have to H. I will take this one as H. Then I have to find this AB value. So for this one, first I will take tan 60. So why is tan 60 means opposite by adjacent. So opposite is height only. So you have to find this only. So I will take H and divide by BC value. They given this is 40. Why 40 means, if I take this one as H, they given it is 40 meter longer than that one. So 40 meter longer means, if you take BC as S, the value of the BD will be 40 plus X. So tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent. So it will be AB by BC. So AB I taken as H and BC as X, and this tan 60 is root 3. So H is equal to H root 3. So if I hundred the angle for the shadow of the first one, that is 60 degree. So this is the BC is the length of the shadow. Then this BD is the length of the shadow for the angle of 30 degree for the second method. Then we got the h is equal to h is equal to x root 3. Then after this one we have to find AB. So for AB, so I will take tan 30 degree. Why? Tan means opposite by adjacent. So tan 30 degree, it will be opposite. Opposite will be AB divided by BD. So AB is, we don't know, that is h, divided by this BD is 40 plus h. 40 plus h. As we know, tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. This will be, so we find out the h value as x root 3. So this is one equation, means put this one equation in terms of h. So h will be x root 3 divided by 40 plus h equal to 1 by root 3. So next step, cross multiplication. Root 3 into root 3 is 3x, and this one 40 plus x into 1 is x only. So 3x, this will come this side, so it will be 2x is equal to 40, x equal to 20 meter. So we got the BC value for the length of the shadow of the BC is the angle of elevation 60 degree. It is this length of the shadow is 20 meter. We have to find out the AB value. So this one is 20. So AB means h. We know that h value, as you find out the h value, x root 3. X root 3. H is 20. So this is 20 root 3 meter. So the length of the shadow of the from the BD is, that is 20. It is the BD is the length of the shadow from the angle of elevation 30 degree. So the height of the tower, AB is the tower, no? So tower, this is tower. The height of the tower will be 20 root 3, means because it is x root 3. So I use the tan 30. Tan 30 means AB by BD. So AB by BD. I know the h value in the first equation, that is x root 3. So I will put in the x root 3 in terms of x only. All will be in terms of x. So we got the x value. As we got the x value, if you put in the height value, we will get the height of the tower as 20 root 3 meter. So that's sixth one. So these are based on the angle of elevation. So it is the above the horizontal line. Like that, angle of depression is below the horizontal line. Means the given in the sixth problem. See that one. The angles of depression of the top and bottom of a 8-meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building are 30 degree and 45 degree. Find the height of the multi-story building and the distance between the two buildings. So this is the height of the multi-story building, that is PC. Then two buildings, that is AB. One building is AB. Then this is CD. So two buildings. These are the two buildings. Then from this one, angle of depression. Angle of depression, it is the below the horizontal line. So below the horizontal line, this is the given as so this one Q. So QP they given as 30 degree, and the angle of depression of the 8-meter tall building from the top of the one-story building is 30 degree and 45 degree. Top is 30 and from the bottom is 45. This is 45. This one is 45 degree. So this is the 30 degree from the QPB. Then QPA is 45 degree. Then what they want to do, to find the distance, find the height of the, this is PC. We have to find out the PC value, and also the distance between the two buildings. These are the two buildings. We have to find the AC value. So we have to find the value of AC and PC. So first, if you know this one PC is equal to PD plus DC. So PC is nothing but PD plus DC, and these are the two buildings, the multi-story building, and the distance between these two means AC value you have to find out. So AC also unknown value, and PC of the height of the multi-store building. Then if you observe this one QPB, then and QPA as 45 degree. So this is 30 means this will be 30. This is also 30. This is 45 means this will be 45. Why means this is the alternate angles. Alternate angles means this is 30 and this one line is there. So opposite that one. Here and here. This is the alternate. So this is 30 means this is 30. Like that this is 45 and this is 45 means this will be 45 because the alternate angles. That is the 45 and it is 45. So if we make use of tan 30, so tan 30 means we will get the opposite by adjacent. That is opposite is PD divided by BD. So BD will be, we don't know the value of PD. PD by BD. So BD. So BD we don't know. BD is equal to tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. This is 1 by root 3. So I will write BD as PD root 3. PD root 3. We don't know the value of BD also and the value of PD also. But we know the AB value. They given AB value as 8 meter building. So it is 8. So next make use of tan 45 degree. That is tan 45 degree. So tan 45 means opposite by adjacent. We want this value PC. So PC by AC. So tan 45 is nothing but 1. So PC will be equal to AC. So it means that PC and AC are both value will get the same value only, because PC we have to find the PC value and AC value, distance between the two buildings and also the height of the multi-store building. We got tan 30 as 1 by root 3 and tan 45 1. So PC is equal to AC and BD is equal to PD root 3. Then continue with this only. So after this one, PC is equal to AC, and I can write PC as in terms of PD plus DC. So if this is 8 means this is also will be 8. This is equal to 8. This is equal to 8 meter. Because DC and AB are same, because parallel. So AB is equal to 8 means DC is equal to 8 meter. So we got the value of PC, DC, but we don't know the value of PD. PD plus 8 is equal to PC. So PC, this is PC, PD plus DC. So PD is we don't know, that is PD. PD is nothing but PD plus 8 is equal to PC. So PD we can write as, so we know the PD. So PD is equal to, PC is nothing but BD is equal to PD root 3. So PD is equal to BD by root 3. BD by root 3. So BD by root 3. This is 8 is there. This is PC. So PC is, I told you, PD plus DC. So PC, in terms of PC we can write AC also, because PC is equal to AC. So using that one, PD is equal to VD, we don't we know that VD value PD root 3. So I will write in the value of in terms of PD only. So PD by PD root 3 divided by, this is 8, PD plus 8. So PD is equal to BD by root 3. PD is equal to PD. So PC PD plus DC. So PD plus DC is equal to AC we got, because PC is equal to AC. Then PD's value is, PD value we have to find out. So we have to find out the value of PD. So PD I taken. PD is equal to, this is 8 is there, plus 8 BD Okay, this is AC zone. AC BD is equal to, you can take AC as BD. So this is AC means PC or AC. So it will be AC. AC you can take as BD. So it will be converted into BD. So BD value, we know that PD root 3. PD root 3. So like that PD is equal to, this is also PD. This is also PD root 3. So little bit confusion this one. See, PD plus 8 is equal to AC. AC we know that this is parallel. So AC will be equal to BD. So PD we don't know. So I will keep PD as it is. 8 is nothing but this DC. Then it's equal to BD. BD, AC is there. AC in terms of I written as BD. So BD means it is BD. You know that PD root 3. PD root 3. Substitute this one. Then PD is come this side. So it will be 8 is equal to PD root 3 minus PD. So PD will be root 3 minus 1. This is 8. So the total value of PD will be 8 by root 3 minus 1. So if you know the value of root 3, they given as root 3 value. They don't given, but in the previous problem they given root 3 value as root 3 value they given 1.73. So if you put 1.73 means it will be 0.73. That like 8 by 0.73. It will get on minimum value. So 8 by root 3 minus 1. So we got the PD value as 8 by root 3. So PD is equal to 8 by root 3 minus 1. So we got the value of PD as 8 by root 3 minus 1. So we have to find out PC. PC I know PD plus DC. So when they given when the value will come in this irrational number, that is root 3 like that, then you further simplification will be 8 by root 3 minus 1 into rationalize means we have to multiply the denominator with the negative opposite sign. So root 3 plus 1. This is also root 3 plus 1. So it will be 8 into root 3 plus 1 divided by a must be a plus b. So it will be a must be a plus b, a square minus. So 3 minus 1. This will be 3 minus 1 will be 2. 8 by 2 root 3 plus 1. This will be 4 root 3 plus 1. 4 root 3 plus 1. So we have to find out PC. So PC is nothing but PD plus DC. PD plus DC. So PD will be 4 root 3 plus 1 and DC will be 8. So 4 root 3 plus 1, this is 4 root 3 plus 4 into 1 is 4 plus 8. We can write as 4 root 3 plus 12. So we can 4 root 3 if we want to take it as 4 as common, so we can split this one as 4 into 3. So we can take from this one 4 common, root 3 plus 3 meter. So as you know, this value is PC value, PD plus DC. PD we have calculated that 4 root 3 plus 1, then 4 root 3 plus 3 is the value of PC. Then AC also is equal to PC. So AC is equal to PC. It will be 4 3 plus root 3 meter. So we have to find the height of the multi-story building. Multi-story building means that one I told you in diagram. So that one it will be PC is equal to 4 into 3 plus root 3 meter. So it is based on the trigonometry only, but application means we can use in our daily life. So like that they given we can find out the height of the tower, or if not that one, like this they given no based on that shadow of the standing the throne, and also height of the chimney. That different examples they given. So different examples, from the different examples we have to find the application of this trigonometry using that only values are same, only the standard angles we have to take. One angle we have to take and one value they will given, and other two values we can find out by the help of that trigonometry ratios. Then so in this type there are two types. One I told angle of elevation. Angle of elevation is the point viewed from the eye of the observer to the look at the head of that one. So we are observing looking head, that is angle of elevation. Angle of deflection means we are looking down. So if we one observer is there means it is looking down, that will be angle of deflection. It is the below the horizontal line, and this is above the horizontal line, that is the angle of elevation. So from that we can find out the values of this trigonometric ratios in terms of the applications they given. So they will get different applications. So only we have to understand the theory part and then find out the value of the trigonometric ratio by the help of trigonometric identities or trigonometric that ratios sine cos, like that. We have to take the value tan 30 means 5 means I told that only in the diagram. Based on the diagram you have to take this tan or cot or sine, like that. So most used in this example only tan only, because we are finding the height of the tower. So height of the tower means it is always opposite to this angle. So angle means it will be tan. So according to the problem we can take the angles. So go through it, and again you see this video and then you will understand the problems. Please subscribe my channel, and thank you.